Here's how to circle lace Converse. It looks kind of tricky, but I promise it's actually super easy. You'll need the help of 2 pencils or pens. Just make sure not to get any ink on your Converse. Begin by taking your lace and you're going to want to thread it through the 2 very top eyelets, just like this. Pull that through and then make sure your lace ends are of equal length by holding them. Loosening this up a little bit and then pulling these 2 taut. Great, now they're the same length. Then we're going to pop this lace end out of the way and we're going to start using our pencil. Take your pencil and put it against the eyelets here like this. Keep a hold of it, grab this lace, and we're going to thread this lace around the pencil and underneath and up through the second eyelet down from the top, like this, until it grabs the pencil in place like that. And then we're literally just going to repeat that with the next eyelet, looping it around the pencil, pulling it through, just like that. Keep a hold of it, bring it up and underneath through the next eyelet and around the pencil, and repeat it again with the next one. Remember, you can pause this video as much as you need or play it on a slower speed. There's no rush. Then we're going to bring it around the pencil and up through the very bottom eyelet. If you have more or less eyelets than me, just keep going with the pattern. It works exactly the same. Now, once we've done this one, we're going to pop this lace out the way. And we're going to get our second pencil and do the same on this side. So go ahead, hold it against the eyelets, loop the lace around it, and bring the lace end up through the second eyelet down from underneath, pull it through so the lace secures the pencil in place. Don't worry if your pencil slips out, it can be a little bit fiddly, but just keep going and keep a hold of it. Bring the lace end through the next available eyelet, just like we've been doing. Mine's got tangled. See, it's easy to happen, but just take it slow. And make sure there are no creases in your lace. Great. Keep a hold of the lace and bring it into the eyelet. Pull it through. Looking good. Just keep a hold of it and keep the pattern going. Bring the lace end up into the next available eyelet from underneath, just like we've been doing, until we make our way all the way to the very bottom one, like this. Then at this stage, what we're going to do, keep a hold of this lace and we're going to slide out the pencil on this side, and then we're going to slip the lace end up through all of those little loops that the pencil created. Just push it all the way through and pull it to about here. Make sure you can pause until you've got that. Then we're going to swap to the other lace end, take out the other pencil, and we're going to do the exact same on the other side. We're going to slip that lace end up through all those little loops that the pencil created. Until it comes out at the top. And then at this stage, we're going to pull that up like that. We're going to cross over our laces like this. Make sure you've got them crossed. And here's the fun bit. Then we're going to pull them taut until we have our circle shape. Then once they're crossed over like this, you can just go ahead and bow your laces as normal. And you'll have finished off the pattern. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have a pair of really awesome looking circle laced Converse. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I've got loads of videos available. Thank you.